Introducing GluNOzym with Reducose. There is an increasing awareness of the impact that carbohydrates, including sugar and starch, have on our blood glucose levels. The modern diet is full of foods that can cause a steep and rapid rise in blood glucose, which should be avoided when trying to live a healthy lifestyle. All foods have a specific glucose impact on our bodies. This impact is measured by a glycemic index number. The higher the glycemic index number, the faster a carbohydrate turns into glucose, and the more significant the impact is on our bodies. Surprisingly, when comparing a gram of starch with a gram of sugar, starch has double the impact on our blood glucose levels. As an example, a 50-gram bowl of rice increases our blood glucose higher and faster than 2 cans of soft drink. So how do carbohydrates cause our blood glucose to rise? In our gut, enzymes break down the starches and sugars we eat into glucose, which is absorbed into our bloodstream and carried to all cells. The faster they are broken down and absorbed, the faster and higher our blood glucose level will rise. But the higher and faster this rise, the faster and lower the drop will be. Some people know this as the sugar crash. Although balanced glucose levels are important for our bodies and provide us with energy, it's unhealthy to have fast and high rises followed by rapid and low drops. But daily life can make it difficult to avoid excessive exposure to sugars and starches, and this is where GluNOzym with Reducose offers a simple and natural solution. It's a water extract of white mulberry leaf that significantly reduces the breakdown of sugars and starches into glucose. GluNOzym with Reducose therefore supports healthy and balanced blood glucose levels and a healthier insulin response. Here's how it works. When a small dose of Reducose is taken with a meal, it tricks the enzymes into thinking they are dealing with carbohydrates that they need to break down. While the enzymes are busy with Reducose, the real carbohydrates in our food are able to slip past and carry on moving through the gut undigested. Taking GluNOzym with Reducose at the start of a meal results in a much lower and slower spike in blood glucose and insulin after eating. A lower and slower blood glucose spike leads to a healthier insulin response, helping to avoid the sugar crash. On top of this, the undigested carbohydrates make us feel full for longer and go on to feed the microbiome in the lower intestines, acting like fibers. And with fewer carbohydrates digested by the body, Reducose can support weight management. Unlike other carb blockers, Reducose is removed quickly and safely from the body via the kidneys, and our clinical studies have shown it does not cause any unwanted effects. For consumers concerned about fast and high blood glucose, GluNOzym with Reducose is a completely safe and natural solution. It reduces the glycemic index of the foods you eat by making carbohydrate digestion significantly lower and slower, and keeps you in a balanced blood glucose and insulin zone. It fits your lifestyle naturally in an easy and convenient way without sacrificing taste. GluNOzym with Reducose, turning fast carbohydrates into slow ones.